In my one of my previous videos, I spoke about how I had fallen out of love with motorcycling. But I never fell out of love with motorcycles themselves, so I still absolutely have the passion, as I explained in that video. So I guess the question is, why do I keep riding? Why have I not sold my bike, cancelled the insurance and just moved on with my life? God knows it'll be a lot cheaper. That's because I found a new passion, and a passion for creating content. And the motorcycle has become the enabler. So, when you create a channel, you have to kind of determine what your niche is going to be. And obviously for me, it was a natural fit, motorcycles. Obviously I'm passionate about them. I know a lot about them. I spend a lot of time reading up and watching about them. So why not do a channel about them? So what it's kind of reignited for me is the passion for creating these videos, the passion for learning how to use different cameras and different angles and sort of learning the craft has sort of reignited my passion with motorcycling, because it's through motorcycling I get to create these videos. So it's kind of one passion has now reignited another passion, which is absolutely fantastic. So so why do I still ride? Well, because I really, really enjoy creating these videos. These videos really give me something new to learn, and I think that's what I enjoy the most. So so that's why I haven't sold the bike. That's why I'm still going to hang on to it, and I'm going to keep doing these videos because I really enjoy the process. And hopefully through creating these videos, it's reigniting my passion for everything two wheels. As we get older, finding joy in the things we once did gets harder and harder. I think this is normal as we age. You see, what once stirred the soul now becomes the norm. It's a bit like starting a new relationship. At first, you can't get enough of each other, but as the years go by, you set onto the rhythm, you get comfortable, and then you look at each other and wonder where the passion has gone. Well, the passion isn't gone, it's just matured into something different, something deeper. And to me, this is what motorcycling has become. I'm 42 now, and I thought I would be happier. I said for years in my 20s I just wanted to have a normal life, the house, the car, a life partner and the kids. But now I find myself wondering whether or not the path that society said I should take was the right path at all. If you achieve everything that you're told to aim for, do you still feel content? Or does the goalpost just move? Tom Magliozzi said, happiness is reality minus expectations. And the older I get, the more I turn that sentence over in my head. For me, I have this idea in my head of what motorcycling is. But I can never seem to get that feeling that I'm after. The feeling that I had when I first started riding all those years ago, and what would get me out of the house and onto the bike no matter the weather. Even in the pouring rain, I would say to myself in my helmet, I'd rather be sitting on this bike than sitting in a cage. So my expectations of what I want to get out of motorcycling never seems to be met. In particular, road riding. So maybe I need to change direction. Maybe it's time to try some dirt riding, I don't know. As I said before, I have fallen out of love with riding motorcycles, but I have not fallen out of love with motorcycles themselves. I still spend time cleaning and maintaining my Bonneville, and I often find myself just standing in the garage and staring at it. But the burning desire to ride it whenever I look at it, that seems to have gone. That was until I picked up my first action camera. Over the last few years, I've always had the desire to start filming my rides. But I never wanted to just be another motovlogger. It is so easy to stick a camera on your helmet and talk for 20 minutes, and don't get me wrong, there is a place for that, and I do watch some of it, but I wanted to do something a bit beyond that. Make these videos a bit more cinematic with a nice story, and then hopefully something you can relate to. Now I know I don't always get that right, and I have so many ideas of the type of videos I want to make, but the problem is I often only have a spare hour or two to film and even less time to edit. So I have to decide between making the videos I want to make and the videos I'm able to make. As with all things in life, this too is a compromise. But still, even if these videos are not exactly what I want to create, they don't have all the drive-by shots I would like or all the drone footage I'd like to add consistently, I have to remind myself not to give myself more work and turn this into a job. I already have one of those. But for me, I enjoy the process, and even more I enjoy the engagement. But that's why I do this, not for the money. Up until now, I've only made enough for a couple tanks of fuel, so I'm never going to give up my day job. So what drives us to want to learn new things? Well, for me, it was a long-lasting, nagging feeling in the back of my head, a desire to start a channel to document my rides. I played around with many different ideas of what kind of channel I'd create. I'm quite into minimalism, but that trend seems to have run its course. Or could I talk about what it's like to be a father of two, over 40 and fumbling my way through life? No, that would get boring quite quickly. But in the end, I decided on something I always seem to be drawn back to, and that's motorcycles. So now I'm entering a new chapter in my life, and all of a sudden my rides have a purpose again. There are those that film their rides and say that filming detracts from the enjoyment. You see, I'm the opposite. I find filming adds to the enjoyment for me. Riding along, thinking of what kind of video I'm trying to make, what kind of shots I'm after, and spending mile after mile looking for somewhere quiet to film that intro, it all adds to the experience for me. When I go for rides without a camera, I generally don't have a destination. It is normally a similar route of sort of 50 to 60 miles and then home again, and that soon becomes too much of the same. I dreamt of living out in the countryside when I first started riding around London 20 years ago. But now I do live in the countryside, and I think I miss the traffic. I miss filtering between cars, getting to the front of the queue whilst those in the cage get more and more frustrated. It made riding feel a bit like a Tetris game. Where could you slot your next piece in? I thought about selling the bike so many times, but as it's my main pastime, I didn't want to give it up out of fear of being there for nothing. But this newfound interest in documenting and creating, it feels like I'm learning a new skill. And the bike enables me to do that. I will continue riding as long as I enjoy making these videos. But will there become a point where I lose interest or simply burn myself out? I don't know, but for now I'm enjoying this new chapter in my life. I have a lot of ideas, but not the luxury of time. There are many trips I'm itching to go on, and in particular my first motor camp and documenting it. But the pressures of time with family commitments, it is not something I can commit to at the moment. But what I can do is set myself up, build this community, and then when time allows, take you lot with me, if you stick around that long. Henry Ford famously said, anyone who stops learning is old, whether you're 20 or 80. And I can relate to this. For the last 10 years, I've felt stagnant in life, moving from one job to another, never really finding out where I fit. But like so many, once you get to a certain level of monthly income, you struggle to go back. So you become trapped in the hamster wheel of life, and like so many, I yearn to break free from the self-imposed prison, and maybe one day I will. And this is why I hit record. It's something new, something novel, and a new way to break the mold. Yeah, so I guess the purpose of this video was to ask myself the question, and also to sort of answer the question, why do I still ride? See, if everybody who says, well, if you're not enjoying it anymore, just give it up. But I think I found a new passion, and it's through this new passion is what gets me out on the bike. So I'm going to keep riding for as long as I enjoy making these little videos, and you guys enjoy, hopefully, watching them. This will keep me riding, and hopefully bring that passion back, bring that spark back, and maybe discover another couple of motorcycling. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, please do that normal stuff, like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. I'm gonna go enjoy the day.